It's Rob Pagetto for Improve Canada, and if you're thinking about Canada Art Design and you're wondering who they are, well, it's all about leather wall coverings. Here's Anthony. Anthony, tell us about your product.
Yeah, the product is from Germany. We have leather for your wall. It's easy to clean, easy to install, and do it you by yourself.
Now, I hear it's also fire retardant.
It's a fire retardant too, yes.
Now, that's something behind you. Is that like an example? So obviously easy to install. It's a leather wall covering and waterproof. What do you mean by easy to install?
Easy to install means the sheets, what you see here, you can glue on the back and glue on the ball. That's it.
All right. Now, I've heard the latest trend is organic cork. Tell us about that.
Yeah, the cork is from Portugal, and I can show you. That's a cork for your wall.
That's pretty cool. It's almost got a 3D effect to it.
That's a 3D effect. As you can see here, we can hold the wall with the cork with different shapes and different color. And it's organic, with the organic color.
I love it. Now, I enjoy my wine, so I've got a lot of corks at home. Can I use that on the wall?
You can use it. We designed it for you.
He's going to design it for us. For more information, where can people find you?
In Improve Canada, so Unit 325, and our website, canadaartdesign.ca.
Come say hi to Anthony. You got a bottle of wine in the back?
Of course.